Speaking Strategies for the TOEFL IBT. Video 4 by Bruce Stirling. Hi, my name is Bruce Stirling. In this video, you will learn how to develop and deliver a response for Speaking Task 4 using the argument map G, 3-tick, C. Before we start, please remember, this is an integrated video course. What you learn in one video will be applied to the next. For maximum learning benefit, please view the videos sequentially. Let's begin. As you know, there are 6 speaking tasks. In this video, we will focus on Task 4. Task 4 is an integrated task. This task measures your ability to integrate 3 skills: reading, listening, and speaking. The reading is a short academic passage. The listening is a short academic lecture on the same topic as the reading. When you speak, you must summarize both the reading and the lecture and show how they topically integrate. This task is scored out of 4 total points. You can develop and deliver a response for Speaking Task 4 using the argument map G, 3-tick, C. On test day, follow these strategies step by step. Step 1. Make a note map. As you listen to the task instructions, make a note map. Divide a piece of paper in 2. Put reading on the left and listening on the right. Please remember, the reading and the listening are on the same topic. The reading will give you a general topic introduction. The reading will also teach you about the topic. In contrast, the listening will provide specific topic information. This specific information will develop the reading by giving examples. As you can see, the reading provides general topic information while the listening provides specific topic information. Therefore, on your note map, put G for general under reading. Because the listening provides specific topic information, put 3-tick under listening. To save time on test day, simply write 1, 2, 3 instead. My note map is now complete. Next is step 2, reading. When the task instructions end, the reading will appear on your screen. The reading will be an academic passage. The passage will be about 100 words. Many of the words will be new to you. In order to understand a new word, you must infer the meaning from the context in which the new word is used. Please remember, on test day, you will have 45 seconds to read the passage. When the reading time is finished, the passage will leave your screen. The passage will not return. Therefore, you must take notes. Next, let's talk about reading and note-taking strategies. When you read the passage, remember the purpose of the reading task. The purpose of the reading task is to summarize the passage. When you summarize, you are identifying the main idea. The main idea is the topic of the passage. The topic will be introduced and defined in the first sentence. Please remember, avoid details when summarizing. Keep your reading summary short. You should be able to summarize the passage in 5 sentences. If you try to summarize the entire passage, you will run out of time when speaking. Next, look at a sample reading passage. Pause here to read it. When summarizing the reading, first identify the main ideas by eliminating details. Next, identify the rhetorical strategies being used. In this passage, there are 3 rhetorical strategies: definition, classification, and illustration. Pause here to read it. Note how the topic is introduced and defined in the first sentence. This is how TOEFL will teach you new topics. Pause here to read it. Next, on your note map under Reading, note the main points in the reading passage based on the rhetorical strategies used. The reading summary is now complete. Pause here to read it. When the reading ends, the listening will begin. The listening is also called the lecture. The lecture will be about 2 minutes. It will develop the topic in the reading. You will hear many new words. You must infer the meaning of new words from the context in which they are given. This is the listening tape script for our example. As you read it, note how supporting topics for the reading are developed. Pause here to read the tape script. Next, let's talk about listening and note-taking strategies. As you listen to the lecture, remember the purpose of this task. The purpose is to summarize the main points. The main points are supporting details that develop the reading. On your note map, summarize the details using cause and effect. Next, look at the listening notes mapped out under Listening on my note map. Note there are only 2 examples. Note how the behavior of each bat is a supporting detail that develops a point in the reading. Note also how the behavior of each bat is defined by cause and effect. My note map is now complete. Pause here to read it. When the listening ends, the prompt will appear on your screen. The prompt is step 4. Please remember, on test day, you will not see the prompt until after the listening. Therefore, you must take notes. Look at this prompt. Pause here to read it. On test day, make sure you read the prompt carefully. Make sure you understand it. Remember, you must summarize the reading and the lecture, and show how the reading and the lecture topically integrate. Next is step 5, preparing to speak. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response. Because you have very little time to prepare, follow these steps. Divide your response into 3 sections. First is the reading summary. This summary is based on your note map. Next is the listening summary. This summary is based on your note map. Next, add a conclusion. The conclusion will be your answer to the prompt. Pause here to read the 3 sections. Next is speaking. Speaking is step 6. You will have 60 seconds to follow your note map and deliver your response. It might seem impossible to squeeze all this information into 60 seconds, however, it is not. The key is to manage your time. Manage your time by following this time chart. For the reading summary, speak for 15 seconds. For the listening summary, speak for 40 seconds. For the conclusion, speak for 5 seconds. Pause here to read the completed response. As you can see, G3-C quickly and effectively maps out a short, 3-part verbal summary that integrates the reading and the listening. The speaking raters are trained to listen for this integrated 3-part structure. Using G3-C, you will know what to say, how to say it, where to say it, when to say it, and why for maximum scoring on test day. Okay, so that's it for Speaking Strategies Video 4. In the next video, Speaking Strategies Video 5, you will continue to recycle strategies as you learn how to develop and deliver a response for Speaking Task 5 using the argument map G3-C. If you want more information about the topics in this video or want to practice what you've learned, please see my books. Practice tests for the TOEFL IBT, Speaking and Writing Strategies for the TOEFL IBT, Scoring Strategies for the TOEFL IBT, a complete guide. If you have any questions, please contact me, Bruce Stirling, TOEFL Pro at facebook.com. Thanks for watching.